What up, YouTube? It's your boy TT back with another video. Yeah. So I just entered some files on us30. I just finished what you call those doing the analysis. Well, I ain't supposed to be buying this. We actually supposed to be in on. Oh, that's a bit of momentum. Yeah. So yeah, as I was explaining, but you wanna see the analysis, so yeah. What the fuck? It's a buy to sell movement, if you know what I mean. So check on the screen. I don't know if it's visible or what, but yeah, we blew. So yeah. Let me just break it down for you really fast. Doesn't even need to be like broken down, because you can clearly see. I mean, just follow the structure. After taking this psychological level here, the winds broke above these eyes. Yeah, it's been okay before that. So we had something like this, where a lot of people got confused for sales. They wanted to come back and cover this gap here. What is the opening gap? They wanted to come back and cover this opening gap here. Understand? Due to this, they call it double top. But the market said not today. So due to a lot of people being trapped here, I know that the market was gonna use this zone, this breakup block here, as a port of support. Understand? So the broker pivot came back to retest it, and then we're looking for a continuation to the upside to catch this 1:5 risk to reward ratio. So yeah, and then if you drop over to the 1 minute, you see that yeah, on the 1 minute, we had something that we had a setup that I really like. I really enjoy trading this setup, dog. Like I'm gonna show you now why. So let's just move this here to the other side, and then let me show you this. So on this side, you'll see that at those lows, found that they weren't informed those highs somewhere around there, and then came back here, forming those lows. I don't mind those. The current market, you're gonna see, I'm confident it's gonna still spike up. So right there, came back, came here, then took out the highs because we are not like uptrend. But something funny happened because look, they go from doing this. They just a trend line. Look at that spike. So they went from this, understand, to that level there, breaking above, and then only for them to come back and wick below that. So after wicking below, yeah, A lot of people, bro, they were looking for something like that. Then a continuation, right? Didn't happen. Now, how do we benefit from this? Now, since a lot of people were looking to sell anyway on these zones, and unfortunately, this momentum said not today. If we drag this across, sniper, sniper. Don't tell them you got this information from here. Don't. So yeah. So yeah, it's that, bro. And then now you get to understand that you have two confluences. You have two confluences here. All saying you have to buy the market. And at this point, yeah, you can even put your stops anyway, like pay or yeah, you understand, just to reduce risk. Understand? Then you're looking to take the market all the way to the upper parts, all the way there. Now let me break it down for you why we're looking to take the market all the way to those upper parts. So listen up carefully. Let's start on this side. You start on this side, you see that we have been like bullish, highly bullish. I like to like analyze visually, just like looking at the charts for parts like these, where like you see the clear movement of the market with bullish. And then when we get to points like these, where like we start to notice a significant change, if I may put it that way, you see, now this is where I like to start focusing on these points here. That's when I will start doing things, putting things in place, on these parts of the market. So yeah, when you look at these parts of the market, you notice that from being this bullish, we started changing character, and then started dropping, and then boom, this bullish move. People thought we were back with the buys, and we were. It's just that there were minor buys, all setting up for this supply, all setting up for that supply. And I wouldn't be surprised if this was activated during FOMC, I think. Yeah, it's highly possible that this zone was activated during FOMC. All the way, yeah, the CPs sending it all the way down. Look at that. This imbalance was filled. Which imbalance needed to be filled from this side? Uh, Look at, can place that, can place that there, and then understand TP smashed. So it's a unnecessary level. It's a clean unnecessary level. So yeah, gonna remove that because it didn't catch the move. It's clean, as much as it's clean, but it didn't catch it. So yeah, we're not gonna like as much as it's breaking our line. How is the current market moving? Uh, Still blue. Okay, let me just try and look at that. Let me see if we can show you that. Yeah, still blue. still blue. So yeah, it's all about relaxing fun. So yeah, those were gonna be like your targets. But then after that, we'll look at after hitting TP, you see that it's starting reversing, reversing. Now this it's the past weekly low. This is last week's low, not last week, 2 weeks back actually. And then for the following week, we like kind of started like ranging, because you can consider this to be like a range or this part, and then you can consider, this these weeks here as a retest of the consolidation, and then the push to the upside. Understand? So I've heard of accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution, something like that was happening here. But that's not what we're focusing on. What we're focusing on for today is the fact that after this distribution move here, they distributed to the upside, and to our surprise, they came to a pure eye. Look at this bearish momentum. Not even a single green candle in sight, going all the way down, breaking all, and then breaking this ultimate low, confirming that this start of this move here is valid, because it came here, continued, broke the lows, respecting the market structure thingy. It's respecting market structure basically. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So with this respected market structure, we can assume that this was the first impulse, second impulse, and now we have to expect the third impulse. So you know that the market moves in waves, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with that pullback that we're gonna have after hitting our TP. So after that 6, that's where we're gonna like have to be clued in on our screens and wait for a break either above the highs. If we break above the highs, it's a change of character, and then we're gonna be looking for a continuation to the upside. But then if we hit the 6 movement and then we come back and break the lows, then we are going to be continuing with the sells. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. So yeah, that's that. Hence how we got to this point. Now let's zoom in on that point. Let's zoom in. Try to zoom in. Try to zoom in. Now we're placing everything perfectly. Everything perfectly. So yeah, that's the 4 hour. Now let's go over to the 2 hours. Go over to the 2 hours. Now we're back and draw down. But okay, we're gonna see how that goes. So let me zoom in. Where? From this side. Yeah. What? Yeah. It's this point here. So when we zoom in here, you can see that with the 2 hours, we still have this momentum, but then there's a slight pause in momentum with the bullish candlestick, and then continuation, and then another second bullish candlestick, and then we ultimately go to break. So there's nothing that I would say is significant except for this manipulation here, which went in triggered entries on the psychological level. So okay, besides that, nothing else. Let's drop to the 1 hour. 1 hour, move this side. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So with the 1 hour, you do have this characteristic here. It's a supply. Now, when you look at the supply, some of you have already spotted this, but no problem. It's just adding confluence, man. You saw how for the buy setup, we had like the 1 minute and 5 minutes breakup block. They were like almost at the same entry point. They had like almost the same entry point. That's confluence, bro. That's confluence. Strike that all the way this side. All the way this side. And look at that. Still our entry point. I'm gonna show you something amazing. I'm gonna show you something amazing. This is the 1 hour, right? Now we drop over to the 30 minutes. Okay, wait, before we drop, I just wanna confirm that this is the 4 hour. This is the 1 hour. Now let's drop over to the 30 minutes. When we go five, we're gonna come back to 30 minutes just now. I don't understand why they pulling back this hard. And the 1 hour candlestick is like 10 minutes away from closure. Don't know if it's very entry for this. Move the down to here. What's going up? Um, it better be because you have to draw down just before. Yeah, I think it is because look at the structure. Look at the structure. I think it is. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead at the position. So, then let me edit my stop loss and whatnot. Yeah, you should have spiked. I think it was a reach. And yo, the best part is that this thing is happening live while I'm recording the screen. Seeing the reaction, you're seeing me answer, you're seeing me doing everything. Understand? And now, for now, we still like intro down. See the red screen? Still intro down. I'm still editing this thing here. Just putting in my stops. Not gonna worry about too much about the TP for now because still have to be like in profit for us to worry about TP. And this thing, yeah, yeah, yeah. You better behave. Don't understand why it's acting like this. and it's so close to the thingy, 1 hour closure. This thing should like spike up, man. Hard, 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 hard. It should spike up, up, up. I just finished putting in the TP, and we're not even in profit. But yeah, man, I guess, don't forget, I guess. Yeah. So let's go back to the 30 minutes and then I'll continue with the breakdown. Let's continue with the breakdown. Wait a minute. The thing is, this is a zone that I'm not understanding right now. Like, where the fuck did it come from? Or why didn't I explain it? Oh, it's the 4 hour thing. It's the 4 hour zone. I only like placed that properly and then I didn't place this one here properly. That's why I'm still like confused. Yeah, so something like that. Then drop over to 1 hour. Yeah, so this is thing that we just fixed. And then 30 minutes. 4 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour from the left. This is 4 hour. Current 4 hour, the 1 hour. Don't remember, but the one when we just finish fixing, and then come back to 30 minutes. Let's see that, okay. 30 minutes for you to see this properly. It's just more data, but then we fix that a bit and then we clear. Yes, sir. So yeah. Yes, sir. That's US 30 for you. Still looking for something else? I don't know. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at. Or I'm looking for on US 30 today. This is what I'm looking at today. And probably next week, because if this plays out, I think it can like play out the whole week. Just drop, can play out the whole week. Or something else I got for you is the DXO. That's the only way I'm like looking for entries, for buy entries on this pays gold and whatnot. If they give me this push, if the DXY gives me this push and then the retracement there, then I'm gonna start looking for buys on the other piece. What else? This is USDT. Nice thing. So that check is quite like it's just quite. Yeah, gold. We have gold. It's in the hand. So gold, you might see a continuation. We might see a continuation. But because this is gold, we can never confirm it. like that. Then why do I say we might have a continuation? If a value cap activated, if a value cap activated, so you understand we might have this continuation. We might get this continuation. For 1 is to 2. Or they might come back violate. Because why? Because something like this was left behind, a footprint. And oh, us30 just finished triggering our stops. Yo, let me go check that first. I don't understand where the fucking code. So, coming back to USD, I don't know where that's like. Yo, I don't know. Could this be a liquidity grab? It wasn't. It wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't. Let me take my L and wait for my setup, a higher time frame setup. Because this was, as I said, this was a buy to sell. But then it looks like they're not ready to buy from here. And with the structure that they just finished creating, I don't know where they might buy from. Somewhere, yeah. And then continue. But nonetheless, we'll see how it goes. So peace out.